What's up, guys? This is Abhishek, and today is 17th of March. It's 3:41 p.m. So sorry for getting late, as I was buying this Oppo phone for myself. This is the Oppo A37. My first Oppo phone was F1S, that is the selfie expert. But now this is the Oppo A37. So let's get into the unboxing. But before unboxing, we look at the quick specs of this phone. This is on the 5 megapixel camera, that is the front facing camera. It has the 5-inch display. It has 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of internal storage. It has the rear camera of 8 megapixel. It is in gold color and the price is quoted on, that is 11,990 rupees. But I have got this Indian retail unit for around 10,000 bucks. So let's get straight into the unboxing. So as you can see, there is written brighten your selfie, because as the Oppo is a camera phone. So first we see the Oppo branding that is printed on the box. Now if you open the box, then we should get the phone. Yeah, we get the phone that is in bright condition. We will talk about the phone a bit later on, but let's see what else we have to get in the box. So first thing, you will get a box inside this box inside the box. You get a case, that is the silicon case for the Oppo, and some warranty information and the quick start guide. Here's the quick start guide with the Oppo. So then we get a wall charger. Let me see it's a fast charger or not. No, it's a 0.2 ampere charger. That's always made in China. But it's a not fast charger, because 5 volts is equal to 1 ampere. So then another thing we get in the box is this earpiece. It's not a premium earpiece, but it's a standard earpiece, but it's quite good sound quality. As I have tried out the Selfie Expert's earpiece, that is good in sound. And then what else? What's this? We have got the data cable, that is for the charging and syncing your Oppo to the computer. So guys, as you can see, I have not took off the seal, but now I will take off the seal in the front of the camera so that you can see. Here is the Oppo phone. And now here is the main gold color. You can call it champagne gold or anything else, what do you want to call it, but this is the champagne gold color. And we have got a screen guard itself on the phone. So let's fit the case. Hold on guys, I will fit the case on this phone, because I don't want to scratch it or anything else to get wrong with it. So guys, it's the second boot up. As you know that in India we have to check the piece on the phone with the SIM card, whether it's country locked or not. So it's not the first boot, but it's the second boot of this phone. Let's have a quick boot of this phone. As you know that these are in 2 variants of colors. One is black, that is the space gray also known as, and another one is the champagne gold. And it's running on the Android 5.1.1, that is the Lollipop version. Hold on guys, I will show you the Android version of this phone. About phone. It's running on the Android 5.1.1 as you can see, and it's running it's a custom UI, that is the Color OS of the Oppo. So guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching guys. As always, stay tuned for more videos. Please like, subscribe and share these videos. As always, peace out.